Hello guys, welcome to Diversity 101. I'm your girl Jamia, and today we are going to prepare eru. This is one of our top dishes in Cameroon. It's very important and special. Most of the people in Cameroon prepare this meal. So we are going to begin with the presentation of our ingredients. So here we have our bell pepper, crayfish, our smoked fish. We have our Maggi that's cubed, seasoning. We have cow skin, Canda or pomo. We have our meat, cow meat. We also have our smoked pork. We have our spinach. We have red oil or palm oil. And then we have our main ingredients, which is eru.
I know they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot of sounds. More when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die.
I cover our meat. So we are going to allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. Then we add in our smoked meat. We then add our smoked fish as well. And that I did it yesterday and I kept it in the freezer. So we'll add it.
Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly. Know that they fly. Know that they ride or die. Cold, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly.
We add in our meat. I'm thinking this pot will be small thing, so we are not going to put everything. We'll just put part of it.
They ain't no longer about. CJI, they ain't no longer about. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep well by my sleep. Know that they ride or die. I keep well by my sleep. We hustle, but the life we well by my sleep. Know that they ride or die.
So allow it to boil for about 5 minutes, then we get started with the cooking proper. So our animal farm is ready. I'll need to remove everything and just leave the stock. We're going to use the stock to boil our spinach. So we are going to add in our spinach. We'll just pour it, everything inside. Good. We are going to allow our spinach to boil for about, to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I like it that way. Okay, our spinach is ready. Okay, perfect. So what we'll do now, we are going to add our remaining Maggi. We'll match in some our pepper. We are going to match it, smash it in. Okay, I think 3 is okay. Maybe I should add one more. I'm going to press the pepper or smash it here, just in the pot. No need for me to pound it or blend it. It's already well cooked and soft. You can just smash it in your pot. Okay, I think that's okay. Now we are going to add in some of the meat, fish, and every animal we have. Put some of it. I'm suspecting this pot. I hope it's going to contain everything. So we'll start with half first to see how we go. So we are going to add in a pinch of salt. Remember, we used some salt in boiling our meat, and so I think we should add just a little bit. Give it a stir, just to make sure it penetrates every nook and corner of our pot. I'm already famished. So we are going to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then we can continue with our arrow. We are going to put in our crayfish. So now we are going to put in our palm oil. It's quite a large quantity. The food is much, so we're going to use a lot of oil. I know it's cholesterol, but we eat this just occasionally, not every day. Wow. The aroma, oh my god. Yes. Yeah. Come on. Woo. 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 Oh my god. This is Animal Farm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Let's see how it. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay. 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 I see you. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Everyone, I see you in here. So I think our yummy arrow is talking to us already. Yeah guys, I think our arrow is ready. You can see for yourself. It's ready. Oh my god, this is so tempting. So arrow is a traditional meal of one of the tribes in Cameroon we call Bayangi. They are sharing border with Nigeria. I think they are closer to a cock village. So I don't know, maybe this food originated from Nigeria, but we also cook it in Cameroon and we like it so much. It's very popular. In most restaurants you can order arrow. You can eat it with fufu, water fufu, pounded yam or Garri. It's very, very yummy. We so like it. I so like it. I like it so much. So as you all can see, we are done. See our arrow. Come on, we are done here. There's our arrow. Come on guys, you can bring your plate if you want. My god, I'm already suffocating. God, see. So now I'm going to prepare some fufu. That is, I'll make some water fufu. I eat water fufu. My husband doesn't like water fufu. I'll make myself water fufu and I will prepare him some pounded yam. So my daughter and I, we can both go for the water fufu. So guys, let's see how it goes. Thank you so much for supporting me, for watching my video, and I hope you can pass by to take a plate. One love. Bye.